Oh, whoa. So
what
this is
place?
WonderVR.
This is WonderVR. Oh, hey, Ghost Hat.
Oh, hi. Hi, Grinder.
Welcome back.
What's up, guys?
WonderVR.
Yep.
Well, you're new to this game. I watched one video. I think it was a tip video, but I'm not super with this game, so let's get straight to the video, guys.
Guys, I don't know if you've noticed from the last few videos, I am laggy as hell. So, like,
Yeah, guys, this
I lag so bad to the point where, like,
Ghost Hat, I think that I'm asking you how good your like surface is. Yours is at 0.
We forgot to switch the lever.
Oh my god, you absolute idiot. It makes sense, bro. The hat is blocking your brain cells from transmitting the signals.
I lost Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Alright, don't go in without me.
No, with that. Run. I just want to grind. I grind running games. I'm just kidding.
I almost hit my... Okay. So, what way?
I don't know. I don't want to beat this game.
Let's go this way. This is nothing. Come on.
I'm good.
What's this?
I'll just watch this guy, guys.
Get in here now.
You're gonna lag out on me, and the one's gonna be right behind. It's gonna be like, oh crap. So what's it say? Find 350. Click this.
Okay, we need to find.
It obviously says 3. That's 5. So Ghost Hat, I'm scared.
And like,
Oh, Ghost Hat! Ghost Hat! Press the 3 lines on your left controller. It says we have the 0 and the 3.
0 to 3. Okay, so.
Oh wait, hold on. I think there's 3 levels. We have to find each level, I think.
No, I think this is the way to escape this level. So anyway, you guys can always check out Grinder's POV by opening up his channel.
You come back here, Ghost Hat. You just left me, huh?
Cause I'm in a dark area. I'm in a dark.
Can you?
Hi.
What was that sound?
It's me. I'm outside the window.
Oh wait, what kind of like tingling sound? Huh? Okay, come over here. 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 Scaredy cat. That's what we Let's go.
Anyway, you can always check
Wait,
out.
guys, hold on. I have to make my scary sensors. Okay, I'm good now.
You can always check out Grinder's POV on his channel.
I yell at you, weirdos.
But my POV's here.
I'm scared, gang.
I'm horrified too. So don't.
Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
That's me again. You stupid beluga whale. Where's the monster at? Set us free. Oh god!
Oh my god! What?
What's good, brother? I wasn't that scary, yeah? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh, it just. Oh, I'm right here. Oh, that was traumatizing. Okay.
I don't want to go back out there. No, he's over there, you idiot.
But we need to find the tapes. Are we splitting up? Okay. Oh, by the way, check out his POV. I'll link in the description to his account. So I'll send a link to his YouTube account so you can check out the video from there. So I basically kidnapped him. Oh, I found Beatrice. You're not helping? This... Then go help. What? I'm around where we died. Bad to know for me. Good for you, bad for me, because I don't want to die. Ah! Oh my god, you guys saw that, you guys saw that, you guys saw that. No. I just got traumatized. He just walked past me and it was scary. Of course I did, because he's like towering over me and it's like... Is that it? I see it, I see it, I see it. I don't, where's the exit? Where? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh. Let us free, set us free. Okay. Oh! Okay, okay, okay. You ain't getting me, monster. You're pretty ugly. No wonder why you're all alone. No family, no one that loves you. Ah, loser. I see the room. I see it.
Oh, hello.
I really despise you. Where were you?
As soon as you said that, by the way.
I despise you. Where were you?
So you laughed at me, so I didn't like enjoy that, so maybe you died.
Come
I'm
on.
not gonna sit my lazy self back up. Up.
Well, I'm getting traumatized. This kid is sitting down having a nap. Get up!
Ah!
Get up!
I'm taller than you in real life, dude.
Come on.
I made a bowl of noodles before I came on vlog anyway. I see the monster ship. It's ship. This kid is an idiot, huh?
Come on.
We have to.
Yes. You have
Fine.
to. Let's go.
Fine.
I got traumatized for the first tape. Now you get traumatized for the second. Yay! Oh, by the way, you guys may want to sit down, grab a snack. Because,
enjoy that as we get killed by a monster.
Because this video may be a longer one.
I'm just stay in the middle and stop moving when I see him. I see him! See him! He's down there! He's down there! He's down there! He's down there! He's down there!
I saw it.
Okay, let's stick over here then. There could be more than one actually. Over here, over here. If I see him over here somehow, I'm gonna have it. We're going on here?
I am to look for the tape.
My flashlight won't activate. I hear him. You're scaring me, you stupid idiot.
This is around the area where I got traumatized.
Nice.
Do you guys see that?
Give me. Now my flashlight spawns in my hands.
Where could the an elevator?
Yes, we found it! We found it! Exit! It's the exit! It's the exit! Look down on it! Click on it! It should be.
Wait. Do we need to get the tapes? We need to get the tapes, don't we?
Great. Great.
Where are you going?
Why down here?
To look
I
for the
don't know.
tapes.
I don't know where you're going.
I
Help
don't.
me. I don't know where you're going. I don't know where you went. I don't know where you went. I'm stuck. I'm stuck and I'm scared.
Bro,
Where are you?
it's a loop. It's a loop.
I can't see you. Oh, there you are.
I don't know how
I have to-
late this YouTube is for you guys, but this is hella dark.
You can tell me real bright in this game. It ain't that scary anymore, guys. I just didn't want it.
Yeah, until you start screaming when the monster pulls up.
Shut up.
What are you on about? What are we on about?
Okay.
Wasn't the monster last over here? Ghost that?
I mean, he should be gone. by
Oh, what is that, chill? What are you doing? I see the monster.
Oh god! Your head, let's die. I was a monster.
So if we stop, I just hold a footstep.
Probably me.
Only your fat self.
Don't move. Stay still.
So we know that theory's proof that when we stay still, he doesn't come after us.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how you turn it on, huh?
What?
You press X, huh?
Yeah, you didn't figure that out.
So why have we not been using it this whole time?
I have.
We haven't.
It doesn't show up for your screen, but
Oh, does it? Oh.
no.
So that's why you can see these dumb.
I can't.
Cause your fat self didn't tell me, huh?
Because I thought you just. Oh, wait, there's
Oh,
no.
we just said.
There's no.
No. We have to go down there.
I mean,
Let's cross. Let's just cross. This is where I died.
bottoms up. Natty,
Yeah.
look down the. I have to climb back up. I'm on my way.
Hey, for your life, buddy.
I'm. Turn
I don't trust you,
around.
buddy.
I think you should really turn around, man.
Let's go for you in OIL, gang. Chill. I'm
Yeah, when
scared.
you fall, you can just climb back up.
This bum is a bummer. Really suck
Is there a certain one you need to fall down?
No. In the original Backrooms game,
Like you had to bandage yourself, and if you fell down one of the holes, it would just like respawn you somewhere else with like a bunch of holes above you.
Doesn't look like there's one here.
Wait for me, game. Please.
Yes.
I mean,
I'm always a safe, right? Like they always. What's that over there?
that's the base.
Are you sure it is?
Like I was saying, guys, this video will be pretty long. This will be my longest video. If you guys are still watching, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can always take it back. I don't really care if you do or not. I'm just having fun making these. I love traumatizing my friends.
Why me? Like you could have put money spent on every game in this game, or if the friend that never played with us.
Oh yeah?
Always skills.
Oh yeah? Well, guess what? You were perfect to kidnap, so follow me.
Why did you have to kidnap me?
Because I was bored.
It's cause I'm black. I'm joking, chill.
Oh, it's not because you're black. It's because you wanted to do a collab, mate. It was me wanting to do the collab, but like...
You just told me I said either W or S. I picked W because it's W. Okay, this is taking way too long.
Because we're not splitting up.
I won't split up.
But splitting up will find us a tape.
But we're better together.
No, we're not, dang. In literally every other game, we'd be better together, except this one.
The more the merrier.
I mean, if the monster comes, I'm jumping back and letting them get you.
I'm staying still if it comes.
I need a dollar.
My flashlight will be smaller in my hands.
My flashlight won't spawn.
Not gonna lie, probably no one would be still watching this. Everyone probably thinks we're butt content.
Very true. Okay, this is W walks, guys.
Where'd the monster? Sorry, ow.
Where'd the monster go? What? Do you despawn the monster, Ghost Hat? Yeah. Okay.
Wait, a red
Okay.
room. Oh, look.
Wait, no.
Oh, another one! Second one! Do you know clip into the one area? Are you standing still?
You should come down, jump down the hole.
Why?
I think a VHS. Yo, there's a VHS. You should totally jump down.
I hate you. Excellent.
Level 1. I hate it.
Why is level 1? This is level 0. I'm such an idiot. Please, I don't want to deal with the smaller entities again.
What you mean, smile entity?
This is the
Flip. Oh, Max, please. This is the flip zone of level 0, and basically the smaller entities can spawn in here.
But look.
We ain't safe yet because
we have to find a no clip back zone. There's like a zone where we can no clip back. Huh?
There may be a tape here, though.
No, there's not.
You sure? sure?
I don't know. 'Cause I don't know if this game actually has the smiles in it. So could just have. What if there's two monsters? What if there's like a red monster and a black monster? Pause.
There is a long, ominous hallway that way.
Not always the same. Let's go down there, sir.
Okay.
No. I don't trust you. That's what I'm making sense. Gang, who's watching this content, gang? This content is way too long. I knew it! I knew it! Stop trying to split me up with you. I'm leaving the game. I'll self-rage quit the game. What else? If you leave me, I'll... Stop it! Your lag is giving you away, you weirdo! I will scream and the views will leave the video. What?
Where's the exit though?
I can't wait for us to get 50 subscribers so we can start live streaming.
Yeah, guys, you totally want to see this live stream? Guys, I think we might need to end it here. I think we're stuck here forever.
No, we're not. I took it down that hallway and I think it was the exit, but he didn't want to go down because he's a scaredy cat.
No, I just tried to get rid of you.
I can't be talking, honestly. I'm a scaredy cat. I'm a bigger scaredy cat, honestly. Like a little girl. Can I move? It's okay now. Wait, don't move. Stay still. Wait, hold on. We're close to the base, remember? Where'd the monster go? Pops right behind me. What's good, my fella?
We may have to end the video.
I just put an ISO speed meme.
We may have to end the video, guys. I think we may be stuck here.
Okay, guys, I think we're stuck. Well, let's end it off in this little corner, okay, guys? So, thanks for watching. Well, subscribe to Ghost Hat. You have to look up at Ghost Hat VR. And for me, subscribe for more W banger videos.
Anyway, so that's all for me too. I think I'm stuck here for all eternity though. So I think something may result that rhymes with bendableism soon. I vote him though. So I don't know, guys.
I might pick you up. I'm throwing to the monster game.